So what are the technical advantages? Couldn't we make a better denture? It's a good question to ask. And my gosh, it's a legitimate question to ask. Can you make a better denture? Answer is absolutely yes. The degree of accuracy with these milled dentures is virtually 100%. And so whatever impression that is delivered to the laboratory once it's scanned, it's 100% accurate. There is no error in the way of, so whatever you get back is what you put in. Good impression is going to give you a good fit. Bad impression is going to still give you a bad impression. So really, but it's 100% reliable in the sense of dimensional accuracy. The strength factor is some of the processes here that will be introduced and is somewhat off the wall in degree of strength. The Ivotion disc, which we're going to, touch on in a minute, is truly beyond even our ability to really measure the typical denture fracture resistance. It's so strong. So definitely we're able to make a better denture that way. Uniformity of thinness or thickness. What happens with the digital process, because the machine really knows no better other than to mill out uniform thickness, and which that does, it follows the tissue contours. And it's amazing how patients react to this uniformity and following the tissue contour. It gives them a tremendous amount of comfort, and comments like, my dentures disappear in my mouth, they feel like they grew in my mouth. These things, I think a lot of it is attributed to this uniformity of contour, as opposed to, obviously, with the traditional technique. Even the best of technician couldn't possibly wax in or carve in the uniformity of dimension. So a tremendous advantage. And obviously we got preset arches. So, starting with the wax rims, gosh, you could jump right into press of a button. We get started with our initial setup. So done by the best technicians in the world, literally, designing these occlusal schemes and et cetera, and putting them together. And so it's a wonderful starting point. Yes, we can make changes, but it's a wonderful starting point by starting with, some of the best setups in literally in the world. Then obviously this and everything is manufactured industrially, so there's no chance of error in the laboratory as far as method of processing. We're not mixing materials in a lab or nothing. These are all pre-processed, and they're very industrially processed. So the residual monomer and et cetera, all the dimensionals, everything is taken care of in the early processes.